Cleft sentences. Cleft sentences are special sentence structures used in English to emphasize a particular part of a sentence. The word cleft means split, and these sentences split a simple sentence into two parts to draw attention to a specific element, like the subject, object, or adverbial phrase. Examples of cleft sentences. Let's start with a basic sentence. Simple sentence. John ate the cake. You can rewrite this in different cleft forms to emphasize different parts. 1. It-cleft. Structure. It plus a form of be plus, emphasized element, plus, relative clause. It was John who ate the cake. Emphasizes John. It was the cake that John ate. Emphasizes the cake. It was yesterday that John ate the cake. Emphasizes time. 2. Wh-cleft, pseudocleft. Structure. What plus clause plus form of be plus emphasized element. What John ate was the cake. Emphasizes the cake. What made me angry was his attitude. 3. Reverse Wh-cleft, inverted pseudocleft. Structure. Emphasized element plus, form of be plus what clause. The cake was what John ate. His attitude was what made me angry. 4. All-cleft, where-cleft, etc. These are less common, but follow a similar structure. All I want is peace and quiet. Where she works is in Bangkok. Why use cleft sentences? To focus on specific information. To clarify meaning. To make your writing or speech more dramatic or emphatic. Write your answers in a notebook and then screenshot, and send me on email at hansiasacademy@gmail.com or in the comment section. I will check and get back to you. Let's practice. If you like this kind of lesson, subscribe, like, share and tell your friends. We learn and grow together. Cleft sentence practice, multiple choice. Instructions. Choose the best answer that completes the sentence using a cleft construction, or identifies the emphasized part correctly. Questions. 1. It was that helped me finish the project. A. Helped me. B. The project. C. John. D. Finish the project. Answer. 2. What she really wants is A. To travel abroad. B. She really wants. C. What she wants. D. Wants really. Answer. 3. Was the main reason she succeeded. A. That she worked hard. B. She worked hard. C. She succeed. D. Working hard. Answer. 4. The part that is emphasized in this sentence is It was at the library that we met. A. We met. B. It was. C. At the library. D. That we met. Answer. 5. Choose the correct cleft sentence for Anna won the award. A. What won the award was Anna. B. It was Anna who won the award. C. It is the award that Anna won it. D. That was Anna who win the award. Answer. 6. Complete the sentence. What I enjoyed most was A. The dinner last night. B. I enjoy most. C. Enjoying the most. D. Was the food. Answer. 7. It was the noise from the concert that me up. A. Waking. B. Wake. C. Woke. D. Wakes. Answer. 8. Choose the correct cleft sentence for. She speaks English fluently. A. It is fluently that she speaks English. B. It is English what she speaks fluently. C. It was English that she speaks fluently. D. It is English that she speaks fluently. Answer. Before we head into number 9, how's it going so far? Still with us? Keep practicing, and remember, every step you take brings you closer to success. We know subjects like English, history, biology, geography, literature, and business studies can sometimes feel tricky, but you're not alone. We're here to help. If there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover, just drop it in the comments or send us a message, and we'll be happy to support you. And here's a bonus. If you'd like a PDF version of today's material, just email us at hansiasacademy@gmail.com, and we'll send it straight to your inbox. Easy and free. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss more of the good stuff. Let's keep going. You've got this. 9. What I need right now is A. A nap. B. Right now. C. What I need. D. I need it. 10. It was that caused the delay. A. Caused the delay. B. Heavy rain. C. The delay. D. Delay it. 11. The part that is emphasized in. It is her kindness that I admire most is A. Admire most. B. That I admire most. C. Her kindness. D. It is. 12. Choose the best cleft sentence for. They repaired the road last week. A. It was the road that they repaired last week. B. What repaired the road was last week. C. That they repaired the road was last week. D. It is last week that the road they repaired. 13. Is what I call true friendship. A. He supported me through everything. B. True friendship. C. I call him. D. He support me through all. 14. What surprised me most was A. How honesty. B. Surprised me. C. Most honest. D. What surprised. 15. It was who told the truth during the meeting. A. The manager. B. To tell the truth. C. Told the truth. D. During the meeting. 16. The part that is emphasized in it was during the holiday that we traveled to Chiang Mai is A. During the holiday. B. We traveled. C. Chiang Mai. D. It was.